Hey juniors, it is time to complete your quarter 2 Naviance task. Log into Clever using your laptop login and password. Find your Naviance icon in your Clever portal, taking you to your Naviance student homepage. Scroll down to Important To-Dos and Tasks, and you are to click on Complete Supermatch College Search. Once you get to your planner, you're going to find that pink arrow, and you're going to click on Complete Supermatch, which will bring you to a college search. So there's a few ways you can do this. If you have no idea what school you want to go to, you can search a few different ways. You can search by location. You could even search by the major. So if you want to stay close to home, if you click on location and search by distance, you can put with schools within 25 miles and then of your zip code. So if I do that, it showed me 11 schools within 25 miles of my house. Okay, so that's one way to do it. If you want to narrow it down by the major you're interested in, click on academics. Select the degree. So if I want to complete a 4-year degree in, let's say, computer science, type that in, select the major I want. And out of those first 11, there are 7 schools within 25 miles that have a computer science major. So once you have filtered what you're interested in, you can click on each one of the schools and it'll give you a rundown and detailed description of that college and what it offers, even down to costs and tuition and fees, as you can see over here. What we'd like you to do is we'd like you to find 3 schools that interest you through this search, and we want you to click the heart and favorite that school, and it'll be added to your list. The other way that you can search for schools, if you already know a school you're interested in, this college search bar down here, say you're interested in Kansas City, Kansas Community College, go ahead and type that in, click on that, and it will take you to KCKCC's informational page. So again, you can look at their details by school, and from this page as well, if you're interested, you can click the heart to add it to your list. So there's a couple ways to search for schools. If you have any questions completing this assignment, please reach out to the College and Career Center. Our emails are in the Google Classroom. Once you've completed your Supermatch, you should get a green status on your planner saying that you have completed this task. Again, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to the College and Career Center. We are available to help you.